is Universal Brotherhood Day. This day is observed on 11th September around the world every year to commemorate the historic speech delivered by a great Indian thinker, Swami Vivekananda. This famous speech was delivered on September 11, 1893 in Chicago to the delegates of the World Parliament of Religions. This speech is popularly remembered for its opening words, that is, Brothers and Sisters of America. It was a short speech of only 500 words, but its impact was instantaneous. After hearing the opening words, the entire assembly gave him an extended standing ovation. It was actually a divine act in the sense that he was the chosen medium to deliver his idea, that was the idea of toleration. His speech was a turning point for the parliament as it completely changed the idea of toleration. It made the concept of tolerance and acceptance towards other religions as real. Swamiji explained this idea that it is the act of putting up with something that one disapproves of. It is also a state of mind that implies non judgmental acceptance of different lifestyles or beliefs. Swami Vivekananda gladly said in his speech, I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. With regard to religion, Swamiji insisted the fact that one must assimilate the spirit of others and preserve their own individuality and develop according to their own law of growth. He advocated the right to follow one's unique nature and disapproved imposing changes on anyone. This right he applied from nations to individuals. As a result, his idea of toleration served as a solution to the discords between nations, religions, and cultures on one hand, and discord in families and smaller groups on the other hand. Swamiji concluded his idea of tolerance through a short message. As the different streams which have their sources in different places mingle their water in the sea, the different paths which men take through different tendencies, either crooked or straight, all lead to thee. Thus, the simple way to domestic peace is to follow Swamiji's idea of tolerance, that is, to accept the other person and maintain a peaceful relationship with all. This would be the ideal commemoration of Universal Brotherhood Day. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.